Hello and welcome to LeadMaster. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom field to your record page. I'm going to go into a recent record of mine to show you a field that I've already created. Here we have best times to call, and I can select morning, evening, or afternoon. This is just one example. Now to do this, you need to have access to the main administration menu. If you don't have access to this, you will need to contact your system administrator. So let's get started. Under Automation and Customization, you have Customized Fields and Screens right here. We're going to go into Customized Pages, and at the top, you will see we have Custom Fields button. And you can see my record label called Best Times to Call, and it's a multi-select view. If you have experience using our Custom Forms tool, this will look very similar to you. If we go to the Add Custom Field, we're going to choose a location, either Record, Contact, or the Opportunity level. Most of the times, these would be on the record. You can have a text field, an encrypted text field, text area, radio, checkbox, single select, or multiple select. So for this option, I'm going to choose checkbox. Now for this, I'm going to make a label called types. You can choose to have this required or read only, but for now, I'm going to choose neither, and I'm going to click submit. Now this has only created the title for my question. I now need to populate answers for this question. You will need to do this for every field type besides text area field. So we click List Response, and then we need to add a custom field response. For my first display response, I'm going to put manufacturing, and then you will see internal value. If you have experience with our custom forms, you will know once you hit submit, this will automatically populate the display value and the internal value. Make sure your display value and your internal value match exactly. This is important to note because if you put the internal value as 1 and the display value as manufacturing, it will not go in correctly. You can set this as a default, you can change the order number, and you can also add a response. In this case, I'm going to add another response. I'm going to say banking, and another option as other. So here are my 3 different values. So now go back to the admin page by clicking Page List over here. And now that we've added this field, it's not added to our page just yet. If you have not watched our Custom Pages tutorial, I suggest watching it because everything I'm about to review is in that video. Now we are going to choose Sales Update or Edit Profile. In this case, I'm going to choose Sales Update. Now that we're on here, we can see we have the information shown at the top. You can see Current Work Group, Custom Fields, and Add to Selection. And the custom fields from that drop-down can be seen here. Select the type and click Add to Selection. I'm going to select the Review section. There is also key contact information and profile summary. Click the green Add button, and you can see these types show up in the Review section. Now go back to our accounts list, and we can see this on the page. Now remember from the video, if you update on the Sales Update page, it will also appear on the Edit Profile page. So if I click Edit Profile, you will see it here. And you can choose your option. And don't forget, you can also see it on the Sales Update page, and all the fields can be edited on the Sales Update page. This concludes our tutorial on how to add custom fields in LeadMaster.